So in example 2 here, we're going to find the observed significance level, or the p-value, for example 1, and interpret that result. So here's our test statistic calculated. Remember, that was negative 0.09. Here I added a couple extra decimal places. And so on the distribution, negative 0.09 would be about right here. And then this was a lower tail test, so the p-value is going to be the area to the left. So that is our p-value. And so if we want to calculate that, that's going to be the probability that t, our sampling statistic, is less than negative 0.0944. We can use TCDF, the cumulative t-distribution, to find that probability. So the lower cutoff is negative infinity. We'll use negative 10,000. The upper cutoff, negative 0.0944. And then you have to enter your degrees of freedom. N was 10 here, so degrees of freedom are 9. Let's go ahead and compute that on the calculator. So we go to second variables, distribution menu. TCDF is number 6 there. So our lower here, negative 10,000. Our upper, negative 0.0944. Degrees of freedom were 9. Paste it, enter. 0.4634. And that's the same thing that we got using the stat function, the t-test function. So our test result here is that our p-value, which is 0.4634, is greater than 0.05. Well, actually, our alpha was 0.01. 0.01, which was our alpha. So we do not reject. So do not reject H0. And so then the interpretation is the same. There is not sufficient evidence to conclude that the alternative hypothesis is true, to conclude mu less than 0.95. So we're going to conclude mu equals 0.95, and they need to do some more work with these vehicles to get them below the emission standard.